Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. Today we're diving deep into something that's gaining a lot of attention: power yoga. If you're looking to build strength, boost energy, and feel amazing, this might just be what you're looking for. Let's explore the top benefits of power yoga. What is the power yoga? So, first things first, what exactly is power yoga? Power yoga is a modern take on traditional yoga that focuses on building strength and stamina. Unlike the slow-paced, gentle flow of traditional yoga, power yoga is fast-paced, challenging, and can make you break a sweat. Think of it as a combination of yoga and a workout. Power yoga is perfect for anyone looking to improve their fitness while still enjoying the benefits of yoga's mindful movement and breath. Benefits of the power yoga. First benefit is build strength. Power yoga works your entire body, legs, core, and back. The poses engage your muscles, and over time, you'll notice yourself becoming stronger and more toned. Whether you're holding a plank or transitioning from one pose to the next, your muscles are constantly working, which helps build endurance and strength. Second benefit is burns calories. Power yoga is also great for burning calories since it's faster paced and more dynamic. You'll get a cardio workout while still reaping the mental benefits of yoga. In one session, you can burn anywhere between 300 to 500 calories, depending on the intensity. This makes power yoga a great option for those who want to lose weight or maintain a healthy physique. Fourth benefit is increases flexibility. Power yoga improves your range of motion by gently stretching your muscles. Over time, you'll find yourself able to move more freely and comfortably, which reduces stiffness and the risk of injury. Flexibility isn't just about fancy poses. It's about making everyday movements easier and more enjoyable. Fifth benefit is reduces stress and boosts focus. Power yoga isn't just a physical workout. It's a mental one too. The focus on breath and movement helps calm the mind and reduce stress. Plus, since it requires concentration and mindfulness, power yoga boosts mental clarity and focus. After a session, you'll feel more balanced, grounded, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Sixth benefit is boosts energy and metabolism. And last but not least, power yoga gives you an incredible energy boost. The combination of breathwork, movement, and flow keeps your metabolism high and leaves you feeling energized and refreshed. Instead of feeling tired after a workout, you'll be full of vitality and ready to take on the rest of your day. Power yoga is such a powerful way to build strength, burn calories, and find balance in both body and mind. So if you're ready for a challenge that leaves you feeling amazing, give power yoga a try. Thanks for tuning in to Unwind Vibes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite yoga pose? See you next time.